Bitty Pop. Small figures, big fun.
Welcome to another unboxing. We have two DC Bitty Pop bags by Funko to open. These are out now at all good pop culture retailers. And please do take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There are 12 in this. Wait, these aren't DC. Well, they are, but they're almost all from Batman the Animated Series. Let's try this again. That's better. There are 12 listed in this series to collect, and all a 1 in 12 ratio. There are also 4 sets available, which have possible 1 in 3 and 1 in 6 chase characters. But these single bags work out cheaper if you don't care for the chase gamble or the 4-way display case. On to bag 1. It's the Joker.
So, which of your tedious copyright forms do I fill out first? You may speak now.
No one can copyright fish. They're a natural resource.
But they share my unique face. Colonel What's-His-Name has chickens, and they don't even have mustaches.
And bag 2. It's the Scarecrow.
Boo? Hey, is this some kind of joke?
It's no joke, I assure you. It's the fear of victory and the agony of the Scarecrow.
When enclosed in their box displays, the Bitty Pops don't seem half bad. But once removed, the flaws and blemishes, especially in the paint detailing, become all the more glaringly apparent. The scale guide does little to really show just how small these are, but it's that 1-inch easy to lose or misplace size. And to make that all the more true, most sites say the Bitty Pop is affixed to the base, but there is a small and easily removed screw to ensure you lose 1, 2, 3 or all 4 elements in rapid succession. As a concept, these are quite cool, I'll give them that. Having no chase removes the pressure and makes them a fun and tradable collectible. They're cheap and space friendly since all collectors are basically hoarder adjacent. But for now, that's all we have time for.